Rajya Sabha MP Sanajaoba today urged the union government to establish government-run public sector undertakings PSU factories in electronics, electrical and government sectors in Manipur to address rising unemployment in the state, raising the issues during zero-hour ND budget session of Parliament's. MP Sanajaoba said that despite having a population of around 30 lakh, Manipur lacks a major industrial or corporate presence and remained largely dependent on small-scale enterprises. Citing officials' data, he noted that the state's literacy rate stands at 76.94%, while the unemployment rate for 2022-2023 was recorded at 4.7%, higher than the national average of 3.2%. The MP expressed concern over growing joblessness among educated youths, pointing out that many young Manipuris hold degrees and diplomas in electronics, electrical, computer and other engineering disciplines but struggles to find suitable employment despite being skilled and qualified. Sanajaoba urged the centre to sanction PSU assembly units in electronics, electrical equipments and ready-made garments in Manipur, stating that such initiatives would create jobs and strengthen the state's economy. He added that successful industrialization could enable the local manufacturing of electrical and computer components, contribute to national development and help steer youths away from drugs abuse by providing meaningful livelihood opportunities.